50W solar panel outdoor portable folding. 18 VTC monocrystalline silicon solar panel. Point 1. Made of high-quality materials, environmentally friendly, waterproof, durable and sensitive. Point 2. It can be used to charge mobile phones, mobile power supplies, laptops, tablets, GPS, cameras, at. Point 3. Portable, foldable, lightweight, easy to carry, and can reduce the freight burden for customers. Point 4. It is equipped with a multi-purpose socket for convenient charging. Point 5. Suitable for outdoor activities, emergency and outdoor work.